If you just bought a Starlink kit in Cameroon, congratulations, because you're about to experience internet speeds that can be easily 10 times faster than what most local internet service providers in Cameroon currently offer. We're talking about faster downloads, smoother streaming, and unlimited internet access from virtually anywhere in the country, even remote areas. But here's the thing. Before you can enjoy any of that, your Starlink kit must be properly activated. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to activate it step by step, the right way. Before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell so you'll always be the first to get updates, tutorials, and important news about Starlink internet in Cameroon. Why activation is important. Now let's talk about why activation is important. Whether you bought the Starlink Mini or the standard version 4 kit, activation is required before use. It's through the activation process that you're going to link your dish to satellites, choose and pay for your Starlink subscription plan, create your Starlink account, and enable internet access to start browsing. The Starlink activation process also secures your hardware, because once linked to your account, the dish becomes useless if stolen. How difficult is the Starlink activation process? This is a question I get asked a lot by Cameroonians who have just purchased their Starlink kits. They're always wondering, is activation something I can easily do myself, or is it worth paying an expert to handle it? In countries where Starlink is officially licensed, activation is straightforward and usually takes about 10 minutes. But in Cameroon, where Starlink is not yet approved, the process is more sensitive. A small mistake can lead to your account being blocked shortly after activation. And when that happens, your dish becomes unusable, meaning you've wasted hundreds of thousands of francs. Because of this risk, many users prefer to let experienced Starlink technicians handle the activation professionally, especially if they're not tech savvy. We currently offer Starlink activation services in Cameroon for 20,000 francs CFA. And here are the benefits of activating your kit with us. First, we activate your Starlink using the most affordable subscription countries, allowing you to pay as low as 36,000 francs CFA per month for unlimited superfast Starlink internet. Another reason why we are the #1 choice for Starlink activation in Cameroon is that we follow strict Starlink security procedures during activation to ensure your account is not disabled after setup, which is a common issue when activation is done incorrectly. It's important to note that if your account gets blocked, it's extremely difficult to get support from Starlink since Cameroon is not yet an approved country. Activating your Starlink kit using our service also puts you on the safe side because we activate our clients' kits in countries that do not require strict KYC verification, reducing the risk of compliance-related account shutdowns. And finally, when we activate your kit, we continue to provide guidance, answering your questions and helping you get the best performance from your Starlink internet. Considering the cost of a Starlink kit, paying a small activation fee is far safer than risking total hardware loss. Like I mentioned earlier, a small mistake during the activation process can lead to your account being blocked shortly after setup. As a Starlink expert, I've had many people reach out to me after making huge mistakes trying to activate their kits themselves, following instructions they found on the internet. Some of the common problems include this. They activated their Starlink kit with a subscription plan that doesn't work in Cameroon, and now they want to switch plans. They selected an activation country that doesn't offer the roam plan, which is what makes it possible to use Starlink in Cameroon. Some end up activating their Starlink kits in countries where the monthly subscription fee is far higher than what our clients are currently paying. Like we mentioned earlier, our clients pay as low as 36,000 francs CFA per month for unlimited superfast internet. Others activate in countries that require strict customer verification, and this leads to their Starlink accounts getting disabled, making the hardware unusable when they fail to verify their identity. But with our Starlink activation service, you won't face any of those issues because we've mastered all the rules of the game. We provide a smooth activation process.
and we've been doing this successfully for years. All right, now that you understand the risks and the support options available, let's go ahead and activate your Starlink kit step by step. Step 1, visit the Starlink official website. To activate your Starlink kit here in Cameroon, the very first thing you need to do is visit the official Starlink website. Simply type starlink.com in the address bar of your web browser. Once you arrive on the Starlink website, click on the 3-line menu icon located at the top right-hand corner of the page to open the drop-down menu. From the list of links displayed, click on Sign In. When you're taken to the sign-in page, click on the link that says Activate your Starlink. That will take you directly to the Starlink activation page where you can begin the activation process. Now, the way to access the activation page is by typing starlink.com/activate in your browser address bar. That takes you straight to the Starlink activation page instantly. Step 2, enter your serial number and email. Serial number is a unique 13-digit alphanumeric number found on the shipping label of the carton or box your Starlink kit came in. It usually begins with capital KIT, just like the example shown on your screen. Once you find the serial number, enter it exactly as it appears, beginning with KIT. In the box below, enter your email address. Make sure you use an active email address that you have access to, because this email will be used to access your Starlink user account, manage your subscription, receive one-time passcodes, and get service notifications from Starlink. So it's very important you enter the correct email. After entering your serial number and email address, click on the New Account link below to proceed to the next step. Step 3, choose your internet subscription plan and activation country.
At this step, you'll be required to choose the country where you would like to activate your Starlink and also select your subscription plan. So the first thing you need to do here is select your activation country from the list of Starlink approved countries displayed on your screen. After selecting your preferred country, click on the search button to unveil all the subscription options available for that country. Once the plans appear, you can then proceed to choose the subscription plan that best suits your needs and budget.
Starlink offers lots of subscription plans, which either falls under the room or the residential plan. The plan that works in Cameroon is the room plan. The Starlink room plan, which was originally designed for tourists, campers, and business travelers, makes it possible to use Starlink anywhere in the world, including countries where Starlink is not yet officially approved, like Cameroon. When activating Starlink in Cameroon, some people fall into the temptation of choosing the residential plan because it's cheaper, and that's where they make a big mistake. It's important to note that the residential plan only works in countries where Starlink has been licensed to operate. If you activate your kit in Cameroon using the residential plan, you won't have internet access. So the best option is the room plan because it works here in Cameroon, even though it's more expensive. You may be curious to ask, how much does the roam plan cost per month? The monthly cost of the roam plan varies depending on the country you activate from. For example, in the United States, the unlimited roam plan costs about $165, which is roughly 90,000 francs CFA per month. In France, the unlimited roam plan costs around 89 euros, about 58,000 francs CFA per month. So you see, depending on the activation country, you may pay higher or lower monthly fees. But like I mentioned earlier, clients who use our activation service pay as low as 36,000 francs CFA per month for unlimited Starlink internet. One question that many people often ask me is, which country should I use to activate Starlink in Cameroon? Since Starlink is not yet licensed in Cameroon, you'll need to activate your kit in a country where Starlink is licensed and the roam plan is available among the list of subscription options for that country. To proceed, simply select the roam plan. Then click Continue to check out. Step 4, choose your preferred roam plan. In this step, you'll finalize your roam subscription selection. First, choose the country you want to activate from. Then select a roam plan that fits your budget. Starlink offers 2 roam options. Roam 100 gigabytes plan offers 100 gigabytes monthly data. Roam Unlimited plan offers unlimited data. Choose the one that suits your needs. Once selected, click Checkout to proceed. Step 5. Checkout phase. At this stage, you'll enter your contact information, account, address, and payment details. After filling in all required fields, click Place Order to complete payment for your subscription plan. Step 6. Set your Starlink account password. If payment is successful, you'll see a confirmation page displaying Starlink order confirmed. This means your payment went through successfully. You'll now be required to create your Starlink account password, which is the final step of activation. Your password must be at least 12 characters long. Once you enter it, click Set Password, and you'll be taken to your Starlink account dashboard. Congratulations once again, your Starlink kit is now fully activated. Now you might be asking, after activating my Starlink kit, what should I do next? Go ahead and power on the device. Align the dish toward a clear view of the sky. Then connect to the Starlink Wi-Fi network, and your internet should become active almost instantly. Once you're connected, the next step is to download and install the Starlink app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store to fully manage your service. The Starlink app is your main control center for managing your internet service. While you can manage subscriptions on the website, the app gives you more advanced control. With the app, you can set your Wi-Fi password, monitor network performance, manage billing, and align your dish properly. Proper dish alignment is very important because positioning your dish toward the part of the sky with the highest satellite visibility gives you the best speeds. For clients who use our activation service, we guide them step by step on proper alignment for maximum performance. Once aligned correctly, run a speed test, and you'll notice your speeds increase significantly. And that's it. Those are the full steps you need to follow to activate Starlink in Cameroon. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to respond. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell so you'll always be the first to get updates, tutorials, and important news about Starlink Internet in Cameroon. If you'd like us to handle the activation for you, or if you have any questions, simply reach out through the phone number shown on your screen, and we'll be happy to assist you.